Sending a file to print shop only to find out they don't have your specific font is a total disaster that ruins your entire design. You open the file and everything looks wrong because the computer replaced your beautiful typography with something generic like Arial or Times New Roman. I'm going to show you exactly how to lock your text in place so it stays perfect on any screen or printer in the world. Stick around until the end because I have a shortcut that lets you do this for every single piece of text in your project at once, which is going to save you so much clicking. Right now, your text is just a set of instructions telling Affinity to look for a font file on your hard drive. If that font file is missing on another computer, the design breaks. When we convert text to curves, we are telling Affinity to stop looking for a font and instead treat every letter as a custom vector shape. Think of it like baking a cake. Once it is in the oven, you can't change the flour or the sugar anymore, but the shape is set for good. This is the only way to guarantee your work looks the same everywhere. To get started, click on the text you want to change. You can tell it is still editable text because you can highlight the letters and type new words. Once you have it selected, right-click directly on the text. Look through the menu and select the option that says Convert to Curves. You will notice that the text box changes and you no longer see the blinking cursor when you try to type. This is exactly what you want. To see what actually happened under the hood, hit Command Y on a Mac or Ctrl Y on a PC to enter outline mode. You will see that your letters are now just a series of blue paths and nodes, exactly like a regular drawing or a logo. Now that these are shapes, you have way more creative control. You can grab the node tool and pull on the corners of your letters to create custom typography that isn't possible with a standard font. It makes your text behave like a graphic, allowing you to use geometry tools to slice, dice, or merge letters together into something completely unique. The big trick for power users is avoiding the manual right click entirely. If you have a massive document with 50 different text layers, don't waste time clicking them one by one. Select everything on your canvas using Command A or Ctrl A on PC. Then hit Command Return on Mac or Ctrl and enter on PC. This instantly turns every single piece of live text into a vector curve in less than a second. It is the fastest way to prep a file for a professional printer without worrying about a single error.